Now, we've talked a lot about some of the fundamental rules of user interface design and things that you should keep in mind when you're creating your UI designs. But where exactly do you start when you know nothing about design? How do you create these beautiful designs? Well, we actually have a whole module dedicated to taking you through from user flow mapping to wireframing to mockups to prototyping. And that will take you through the journey of a digital designer. But one of the most important things to keep in mind, not just when you're approaching design, but also when you're approaching development or coding or starting a business or anything, is to keep it as simple as you can to start with. So when you're creating your website or your app, start with a design that is completely monochrome, just black and white or hints of gray. That way you can focus on the layout, you can focus on the alignment, you can focus on making things look good where they are without being distracted by colors or images or any of the fancy stuff. So start in monochrome and then give it a single shot of color like Uber does to highlight the key things that you want to draw people's attention to. Now remember, if everything is black and white, even a hint of color will stand out in a big way. And then maybe add 2 colors or 3 and go up from there. Don't start with complexity and tone it down. Always start with the simplest thing possible and then go upwards. There's a really great website called Dribbble, which is where digital designers showcase some of their best work in their portfolios. And it's also a great place where you can find design talent for your next project or get inspiration about how you can approach your next design project. And it has one really well hidden search capability, and that's the ability to search by color. So the link to the search functionality is in the text below this video. And what you can do here is you can enter a particular hex code of a color and look at how professional designers are using that color or combining it with other colors to make their designs come to life. So the idea is that once you've designed your app in monochrome, then you're thinking about coloring it up. So have a look over there and see if you can be inspired.